Hello, and welcome back to another Zoog tutorial. In this video, we'll be learning how to create a song on the Zoog app. Let's head into the Create page of the app and scroll through our songs, and let's select Itsy Bitsy. This classic song will greet us with an adorable animations that we'll see while recording. And as we start recording, we can click the record button. And after our 3, 2, 1, the music will start playing. And we can sing along, karaoke style. As the lyrics bounce along, we can sing and dance. Make sure that your volume is turned up. The progress bar at the top moves as the song progresses. And when it's over, we can click the green check mark as always and watch our creation right away. Of course, we can send it. We can pause in order to record once again. Or we can click the X in order to save this creation and share it later from the My Stories page. Or we can delete it if we don't want to keep or share it at all. I chose to save my creation so it can be found inside of the My Stories page. Thank you so much for watching and for using Zoog. Enjoy singing!